Hey guys, this is Hitesh Malik. You're watching me on Bollywood Live, and today we have a very talented actor with us, Vivan Batena. Hi Vivan, how are you doing?
I'm excellent, Hitesh. So nice to hear from you, and so nice to reach out to everyone, your entire
First
audience.
of all, congratulations because the trailer is amazing. What do you want to
Oh, thank
say?
you so much. You liked it. What did you like about it the most? Tell me fast, quickly, without thinking.
I really loved the trailer for sure, and especially the look of your character. It's quite quirky, and we
Oh,
haven't seen Hanuman in that kind of look anytime before. So, what do you want to say about your look on the show?
we worked on it. Kunal और मैंने बहुत सोच समझ कर decision लिया. I mean, we worked with the art department. We worked with there's a lot of there's a lot of prosthetics on it. There's stuff on the face. मुंह पर भी गाड़ी वाड़ी लगाई है. तो हमने बहुत सारे looks try किए. And we finally we reached this one where we felt that it's not been done before so much. इतना हमने ऐसा look देखा नहीं है. थोड़ा सा rugged look रखा है, थोड़ा सा अलग look रखा है और थोड़ा सा it, it's basically what suited me the most. I kind of
But
it
आप
looked
पहचान
nice
में
on
ही
me.
नहीं आ रहे हो.
So that's what
आप
Kunal
पहचान
wanted
में ही
also. He
नहीं आ
said, I
रहे हो.
want everyone to look really good. अच्छी बात है ना, अच्छी बात है. हर पिक्चर में ऐसी होना चाहिए कि पहचान में नहीं आ रहा कि ये कौन है. बोला अरे विवान है, वो क्या बात कर रहे हो, वो पहचान में नहीं आया. ऐसा होना चाहिए. That's the point of an actor because you can be a chameleon and change yourself. You'll see me in something else now coming up. Maybe hopefully next year again you won't recognize me. So hopefully
Yeah,
that goes.
playing the role of Hanuman, I would say it's very challenging, and since it's like a big role, ऐसा
Hmm.
लगता है कि जो पहले लोगों ने हनुमान प्ले किया है तो एक कंपैरिजन होना एक लाजमी है. तो आर यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द कंपैरिजंस ऑफ विद सच टाइप्स ऑफ कंपैरिजन?
नहीं, मैं ये सब चीजों के बारे में सोचता नहीं हूँ क्योंकि आप जब भी एक इतना बड़ा कैरेक्टर करते हैं, इतना बड़ा रोल है, ये एपिक रोल है एंड इट्स पार्ट ऑफ आवर कल्चर. सो आई मीन कंपैरिजंस होने वाले. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ उसमें? मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं लड़ नहीं सकता, झगड़ नहीं सकता से आई एम बेटर. I'll just say that what I've done is I've been honest to my character and honest to myself and honest to the role and the part, and I've done my best. It was very physically demanding to play Hanuman because I had to get in shape within, I think, 2 महीने थे मेरे पास और बहुत ही बड़ा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाना पड़ा because I was very very lean, बहुत पतला था मैं, and I had to gain almost 12 to 13 kilos of muscle.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's impossible. So it's really impossible to do that. We've just put on basically. I put on a lot of water. You can see there's a lot of water weight and stuff just to look bigger, not to look massive. Because जितने बाकी के भी लोग हैं show में, so they are all big guys. So Hanuman needs to have an imposing presence. तो मैंने अपने
Right.
आप को बहुत prepare किया है to live in the gym. Literally मैं खाता पीता सब जिम में ही था. And I should be eating and sleeping. So my wife was complaining a lot, but I had to do it. I mean, there's a physical huge transformation that took place. And even Kunal was surprised the first day I reached the set and I wore the costume, and he's like, "और कितना करेगा? अब बस कर. अभी इससे ज़्यादा नहीं, अभी फट जाएगा तू." I was like, "नहीं बाबा, it's Hanuman. It's a lot of pressure on me because लोग हमेशा कहते हैं, अरे इसकी ये तो ठीक नहीं है. ये सब पोस्टर देखो. They don't realize that it's a cartoon. And this is a human being, and you have to. During training, I had a severe back injury, and my knee also. I kind of bent my knee,
Oh,
twisted my knee,
I hope you're
so I
fine
couldn't
now.
do my leg. Couldn't do my leg. Now I'm absolutely fine, but this was about a couple years back, and I bent my knee, and I couldn't do any of the jumps properly. But then Kunal and all helped me because I was lifting really heavy, and accidents happen. होता है आपको ट्रेनिंग के टाइम इंजरीज होते हैं. तो those are the things that I had to work with, even with so much armor, and वो गधा जो था वो it
Right.
weighed almost like 10-15 kilos to carry it every day and have that presence and be like तो मुश्किल था, but we've managed to do it really well. It's come out really nice.
Okay, apart from the physical transformation, what kind of mental preparation you have been to perform this character?
बेसिकली आपके ऊपर, जैसे आपने पहले बोला कि बहुत सारे कंपैरिजंस होंगे, इतने सारे लोगों ने भी किया होगा टीवी पे भी. there were shows going on, stuff like that. So I was watching everything and I was like, then I kind of at one point मैंने सोचा कि मैं सब अभी देखना बंद कर देता हूँ क्योंकि मैं अपने आप को टॉर्चर कर रहा हूँ कि मैं ये करूँ, मैं वो करूँ. बिकॉज जब आप लोकेशन पे पहुंचते हैं, जब आप फाइनली डायरेक्टर के हाथ में आते हैं, तो जो आपने सोचा था वो कम्प्लीटली अलग होता है. और जो आप मेंटली प्रिपेयर करके आते हो कि मैं ऐसे बोलूंगा, मैं वैसे करूंगा, पूरा चेंज हो जाता है. बिकॉज सिचुएशन सराउंडिंग, द लोकेशन, आपका जो ग्राफ है, बिकॉज यू मे बी शूटिंग अ सीन विच इज in the middle of the movie, suddenly, not the beginning. Yeah, so just to react to the given situation. So you can't mentally prepare so much. You can understand the physicality, the tone, and maybe the context of the character and what where his transition or his graph like. That's what you can do. That's
Okay. So my next question is, like, while preparing for this, have you guys shot it in lockdown by any chance?
no. We shot it way before lockdown. Lockdown बच गया.
Oh yeah.
हमने पहले ही कर लिया और लॉकडाउन में बेचारे वो एडिट कर रहे थे आई थिंक फॉलोइंग ऑल द प्रोटोकॉल्स और सब बहुत मुश्किल था उनको कैसे भी करना और वो दे मैनेज्ड इट एंड फाइनली वी हैव अ प्रोडक्ट टू पुट आउट सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इवन इन दीस सर्कमस्टेंसेस वी वर एबल टू पुट आउट अ फिल्म फॉर यू गाइस.
Okay, if I'm not wrong, it's your first digital show that is coming, right?
No, I have done some stuff in the past, but it's one of the biggest things that I've done so far, and it's an epic. It's a mythological epic.
Right.
So I'm very excited about it, and I'm X-Player is a huge platform for us. So it's going to be. It has a tremendous reach. I'm waiting to see what response we get from it.
So when the show came to you, what was your first reaction like?
I went to Kunal's office and I knew that he told me that we're doing Ramayana stuff and I said आप रामायण कर रहे हैं तो मुझे I think रावण के लिए बुलाएं. My instant reaction was that कि मुझे रावण के लिए बुलाया जा रहा है तो मैं वहां पर पहुंचा और तो उसने कहा कि नहीं आई एम कॉलिंग यू फॉर. I said मैं तो 2 मिनट के लिए मैं तो ऐसे ही सोचता था कि this is what I meant by mental preparation कि आप कुछ सोच के जाते हो और फिर कुछ और ही हो जाता है. तो I went mentally prepared saying that I'm going to get offered the part of Ravan. So I was like, yes, Ravan, tough guy is that. And then he said Hanuman, who is a tough guy but very devotional, soft, a different character. It's a completely different. I never thought that anybody would see that in me. So hats off to Kunal that he could see that in me. And he said, no, you would be really good at it. I think you should think about it. So I said, okay, give me a day. मैं पहले सोचता हूँ because ये बहुत मैंने ये सोचा ही नहीं था, ये मेरे ज़हन में नहीं था. तो let me just इसको थोड़ा सा मुझे सोचने दो कि can I do it properly?
Yeah.
And then of course I said yes.
That's amazing. Apart from this, we are waiting for Suryavanshi also. So, do you want to say anything, reveal anything about your character? I know you can't say much, but thoda to bata do yaar.
I mean, we are part of something called the Ghost Squad, and it's an anti-terrorist event, and that's what's been allowed for us to tell you so far. It's a CT Bajao blockbuster that we have all been waiting for. The thing is, it won't do justice unless you watch it on the big screen.
Right.
Film is of scale, very scale kind of thing. And his films are those it's just that it's that claptrap City Bajao thing where you just are rooting for the heroes and stuff like that. And this time, in fact, I think Rohit sir has taken a bit of a risk and it's a little away from what he does usually.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a lot of comedy. Akshay sir is really funny. I mean, you will see, that his comic timing is amazing, etc. But you will really see a very different side of him in this film. The comedy is, I mean, we have been laughing on the set the entire time. So it's really been a fabulous experience. The whole, it was a dream to shoot. Even with Kunal and everybody, it's just a dream to shoot. And they treated us so well. I've been blessed that I have been part of such projects.
Is there any funny anecdote from the set of Suryavanshi that you want to talk about, since you've told that you guys were laughing so much?
In fact, we've made a gag reel for you guys. So आपको जितने भी so ये सवाल आते रहते हैं तो हमने gag reel बना के रखा है. वो कब रिलीज करेंगे वो पता नहीं, क्योंकि अब फिल्म रिलीज की बात चल रही है कि unfortunate situation that's going on. We were supposed to get it in the end of April, but as you know, 29th April was supposed to be released, but things happened, and let's hope that our situation in Bombay gets better and Maharashtra gets better, and then we all watch the film together in the audiences and give it the audience that it deserves. And as far as hilarious anecdotes, there are plenty, but that's another day, that's another interview that I'll have with you when Suryavanshi releases. Right now, we just talk about.
That's amazing. So with that, what messaging you want to do to your fans about the show?
देखिए, ये हर जनरेशन में ना एक रामायण आनी है, अलग अलग एक्टर्स के साथ. क्योंकि हमारे जो करंट जनरेशन है, maybe they're not able to identify with what they have seen in the past. And what is existing on television or on film right now or on OTT. So this is a refresher for them. They also get an education out of it. They learn a little bit about our culture, and we've used the dialect and everything is very on point and period correct. So it will be very educational as far as understanding what happened, and it's a very nice children's film. I would just say I just love the fact that all the kids are really going to enjoy it, and they're going to root for Hanuman, they're going to root for Ram, and they're going to root for Lakshman, and who for Ram. And that's what I'm really looking forward to. It's going to be really amazing to see that.
Have your daughter seen the trailer of the show? What was her reaction?
No. She's way too young. She's not even 2 yet. But I will show her. She recognizes me from the screen. So I will show her the trailer. Yeah, she recognizes me from the screen. So I will show her the trailer eventually today, maybe when she comes back from her thing. And she's gone for her little walk right now because I've sent them off. So I said I can do my film piece. And so to all the fans watching, please support us. I know there's a lot of negativity right now towards Bollywood. There's a lot of negativity towards it's honestly the softest target. So please don't make us a target of the negativity. It's we are doing our best to entertain you, and that's all we are here for. We're just actors. It's not neta, it's abhineta. So please remember that we are not here for any politics. We are not here for any of those kind of things.
Good one. Very nice.
Thank you, Ritesh.
So my last question to you is कि what are your future projects जहाँ पे fans आपको देख पाएंगे?
Currently, I'm filming Dongri to Dubai with XL, and it's going to be a show that was supposed to be released this year, but now it's probably going to be pushed next year. It's again on Amazon, and besides that, it's there's Suryavanshi, which is going to come out. I'm doing a film with NTR Arts with Kalyan Ram, it's a Telugu film. The name is not yet finalized, so it's just a project 10 as of now. And those are 3 projects I'm currently working on. In talks with a couple of things, but right now everything's in the air. We're just कोई डेट मांग रहा है तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ डेट का लेकर क्या करोगे? Basically we don't know what's going to happen in the next 10 days.
True that.
अगले 15 दिन तक तो लॉकडाउन है ही, तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. But let's see. Hopefully next time I have an interview with you, I'll give you a lot more data on what I'm doing.
Definitely. I would love to take your interview again. With that, I would like to wish you all the best for the show. Though I'm very sure that the show would do great and people will appreciate your character as well. All the best. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview, and hopefully we connect soon for your next project.
Thank you so much, Ritesh. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you.